This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Here's a healthier, less oily version of the Cantonese Foo Young. It uses less oil and has less sauce, actually no sauce at all, as compared to the Western version. We'll start with the aromatics. Separate the white and green parts of a spring onion. Then, cut both parts into about 2-inch pieces. We'll also need half an onion. Slice it thinly. I have here about 80 grams of shrimp. I have removed the head and the shell. Devein the shrimp by cutting a slit down the top of the shrimp. Then remove the vein. These shrimps are quite big, so I'm cutting them up into smaller pieces. We will also need about 80 grams of char siu. Cut the char siu up into smaller pieces, about the size of the shrimps. You can buy a char siu from the hawker stores, or you can make it on your own. It's easy. I've listed a few of my char siu recipes in the description below. One is for the oven, the other uses the air fryer, and the third is a chicken char siu. In a wok over medium-high heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the white parts of the spring onions, the onion itself, and the shrimps. Fry them till the shrimps are pink and the onions are a little charred. We will not be frying the char siu because the char siu is already cooked. When done, dish it out and let it cool. For the eggs, crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Add some cornflour slurry. That's 2 teaspoons of cornflour dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. Beat the eggs till there are no visible strands of egg white. The cornflour slurry slows down the cooking of the eggs and prevents the omelette from drying out too quickly. Adding cornflour slurry will give you soft and moist eggs. Next, mix in the fried shrimps and the aromatics into the eggs. These ingredients would have been sufficiently cooled by now, and they will not cook the eggs when you add them in. Next, add in the diced up char siu. Mix all these really well. Now, back to the wok. Add in about 4 tablespoons of oil. You need more oil than usual here. Heat the oil till it's smoking hot. Then, turn down the heat to medium-low. Add in the eggs. This is easier to do with a flat bottom frying pan. If you are using a wok, just like me, most of your egg will be collected in the center at the bottom of the pan. So, try and spread the egg out to get an even layer. And make sure that the ingredients are evenly spread out. When most of the sides are cooked, it's time to flip. It may be a bit difficult to flip as the omelette may be too big. It would of course be easier if it's a frying pan, because you can just put a dish on top of it and flip it over. But it does not matter. Just cut it into quarters and flip each quarter over. What we are going for here are large pieces of omelette. After flipping, you give it another 20 seconds and the eggs are done. You want to remove the eggs when the eggs are still soft and a little runny, because it will continue to cook on the plate when you remove them. Sprinkle the remaining green parts of the spring onion on top. This is the Cantonese style Foo Young.